Hi, this is Patrick Balleux for ScreenStudio. I'm currently working on the new version of ScreenStudio, which is currently 0.9.4, but I'm not sure I will keep that version. Essentially, what I want to do is to be able to simplify the process of broadcasting or recording your screen to do a screencast or a broadcast to whatever you want. But basically, the original ScreenStudio is starting to look a little bit complex, and the main goal of ScreenStudio is to keep things simple for users who don't want to play with the command line. So I kind of thought about that, and what I had in mind was that why not have a database or a pre-configured setup that we can use, and for advanced users they can simply edit that configuration file to match their need. So basically I took the liberty of creating a default configuration file, and as you can see, as a prototype, I currently pre-configured the Twitch TV service. So basically it's an XML file, and there I have the service, and I have the name Twitch TV. The target is RTMP, so it will be for broadcasting. I can define for Twitch specifically the command line to use, which does look a little bit like the previous version of ScreenStudio, and in there I can define the different layouts I can have for the webcam or the overlay. And then I move a little bit lower, since we are talking about a service. Then I can define the servers that are to be used with Twitch TV. In that case, we have kind of a good list. And then I can have different profiles. So I've set up like 3 profiles, high, medium, and low. And in there I can set all kinds of features pre-configured, so you don't have to think about how to properly set your encoding if you don't know what to do exactly. So this is where I will need the community on G+ to help me put the proper values in there and have great profiles, so anybody can use those profiles and have a good quality broadcasting. So essentially, that XML file will have several services and also profiles to record locally in all kind of files. So I'm going to start it. I'm going to show it to you. It's not fully functional right now. I cannot broadcast with it, but I've started to build the interface, and to keep it minimal as possible. So still 3 tabs. So Stream tab will be for stuff related to RTMP. If you want to record locally, there will be another tab to record to a local file. So I need to work on that. But right now, the idea is there. I would select the service I want to use. Right now I have Twitch, and then select the server. And oh no, Germany is a little far from home. Let's pick New York. And then you have your profiles here, and just say, okay, I'm going to use medium. More details will be added, and this is your RTMP key that you need to input. And then click broadcast, and you will be broadcasting in no time. Again, you have your overlays, the titles, the subtitle, the overlay image, which is the banner at the bottom, and you have your webcam layout, your image layout. But those are populated from, the XML file actually. So we could have in there like unlimited layouts, but for now, just kept kind of the default ones. And then you can have your sources. I had in mind, like, okay, I want to broadcast my screen. I need to choose which device I will be broadcasting, but I was putting in there like the size of the capture, which is kind of a little bit stupid. You don't want to broadcast just a part of your screen most of the time. What I will add eventually is to be able to pick a region here instead of having from that place to that, from that width to that 8 of the screen. So I still need to think about it, but basically, most of the time we want to do the screen capture of the whole screen. If the screen is too large, then just go in your settings and lower the resolution. It will kind of make it really easier. And then you have the webcam you want to use. I forgot to put no webcam in there. The delay, the screen captures, the webcam capture size, which is a bit tricky depending on your hardware. Sometimes we have to like provide the proper format. And again, the audio source. Right now, I'm only capturing one audio source, but I have some plans to pick 2 sources, but I need to figure out a few quirks between AV-Conv and Pulse Audio. So basically, the next ScreenStudio will be much simpler. We'll have 4 tabs instead of 3. One will be dedicated to broadcasting over services like Twitch TV and so on. There will be a generic one. Let's say that the server is not listed, so you have 2 solutions here. Basically, add the service into the configuration file, which will be customizable, or enter manually the URL. So I need to kind of prepare the stuff for that, but you would have to set anyway your profiles. So maybe the easiest way would be simply to edit the configuration file and put whatever you need in there. So that's what I'm planning for the next ScreenStudio thing. Keep things much simpler and much easier than having a bunch of fields to put the proper values in. So what I will need you to do is to share your setups with Hitbox, Ustream, Twitch, YouTube Live, and all the kind of service that may be available right now. And together we'll keep that database, that list here, up to date. So eventually it will be easier for users that don't have much knowledge about AV-Conv or anything else. FFmpeg could be here also. We could use GStreamer. It all depends on what we want to do. So that configuration file will kind of provide more stuff. Let's say that on your setup you need to use FFmpeg because AV-Conv is not available. Then a profile, a service, and the commands could be set up to match the different profiles, and could be also shared over the internet. I don't know. This is how I see it right now. Maybe I'll create a database online, like one XML file for each service. So that encoder would be Twitch TV, and another one would be for Ustream, and another one, and then we could create a database online that you just select the service you want to use and download that file and use that XML file. That's something I need to think about. But having that layout would be much easier to use instead of filling all the fields and you don't know actually what to use. So I want to keep things simple. So if you want to join in and participate and provide your comments and feedback, simply go to the G Plus community. My browser will open eventually. Still waiting. There we go. So go to G Plus communities, and in there you look for ScreenStudio, and just leave your comments in the discussion, or in that case, I created a new category which is called Techie. So if you have some special settings or some servers you are actually working with and you want something generic or whatever, just provide your ideas in the Techie category here. Until then, you can download ScreenStudio from the main website, which is screenstudio.crumbs with a z.com, and the official version right now is 0.9.3. You can download the binary here or download the source code from here, and you can access all the tutorial and demo I created on YouTube. So hope you enjoyed that little preview of what's coming with ScreenStudio. Keep in mind this software is meant to be like easy to use. So if you're looking for something more advanced, then you could also eventually edit that configuration file and just put your stuff in there, or simply use the command line. Ugh, that's a bit ugly, but anyway. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please share with your friends. The more, the merrier. And see you another time. Bye. Oh, no, by the way, no, I didn't show my webcam this time. I was doing a test to see if it would work. So thank you. Bye.